Welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to attract money. And this is the topic that I haven't been really talking about it specifically. I was talking about the entire platform, TikTok and Instagram and YouTube, more of a internal confidence, self-love and the dedication, meditation and all that kind of thing. And because obviously we do need money to live in this society. Wherever you go, I'm in Thailand currently, I'm traveling around the world and also working at the same time, but I need money. It's a different currency. But here's the thing. Everybody else says, if you're into this law of attraction, your subconscious mind, your belief or manifestation or maybe spiritual topic, then everybody says that money is energy. Well, not only money, but everything in this world, 99.9999% of everything exists in this universe is energy. So from that perspective, our body is energy, our mind is energy, our thoughts is energy, our emotion is energy, and then also money is energy, and then that's completely understandable. However, I'm not going to sit and tell you like money is the energy, you have to be that energy, because it's wrong. A lot of people will tell you money is energy, you just have to be the energy. Wrong. You have to have a step-by-step blueprint to change your belief, and then believe that is you are capable, and then you always receive the money. So it's not about the energy. It's more about what do you believe, because you are the creator of your reality, right? That means you believe what you can do and what you do. You believe that you are white, black, yellow. You believe the sky is blue. You believe those certain things. And what happens when somebody else challenges your belief? Some people tell you, oh, you're ugly. Some people tell you, oh, you can't do this. You get pissed off. You get annoyed. You feel offended. Oh, am I ugly? Is the sky red? It's because you have the insecurity. It's because part of you believe that you are ugly. Because part of you believe that you're broke. Because part of you believe that the sky is red. Most of you believe the sky is blue, right? So somebody's gonna come into your life and tell you like, sky's red, you fucking weirdo. Sky's red. You're gonna be like, no, I don't believe it, what? Like, go away. But if somebody come into your life and tell you like, you're not that attractive, you're not attractive that much, you're not that sexy, you're not that cool, I don't think you can make it, I don't think you can make your dream come true because you're not that good, you will believe in it. Why? Because part of you already believe it. Part of you sees it. Because if you come to me and tell me like, you're not that good content creator, I don't believe in it. Because I've done that enough times, and I believe that it's so easy for me to make whatever the content, whatever the video I make. And then even if my current reality, which is now I have 200,000 of followers, subscribers on YouTube, compared to my bigger platform like TikTok and Instagram, is relatively small. Even if some people come to me and like, your YouTube channel is not that big, like you're not that good content creator, I watch your video, you're okay. I don't believe in it, because I believe I am the one of the best content creator, and sooner or later the world will find out and basically put the label on my shoulder, not me, but somebody else or some society. So that is what I believe in, and that's what's going to happen, because I'm the creator of my reality. The same goes to the money. Because some people tell you like, money is energy. Tap into the energy. Okay, I'm a huge fan of indigenous culture and all the spiritual community, but most of the people in the spiritual community tell some bullshit. If you actually look at these people in Wall Street, they don't give a shit about spirituality, they don't give a shit about energy, they only give a shit money. But they believe they can make money, they believe it's easy to make money. So it's all about the belief. So if you want to attract money, if you want to manifest money, then you have to believe that you're capable to attract money. Because I attract money. I just sit there and like do some of my shit, and then the money comes into me. I don't chase around. I don't chase around the butterflies. I don't chase around anything. Because I sit here and attract. And that comes to me, the opportunity comes to me, and I'm always capable to seize the opportunity. That's the thing. And if people want to attract money, people want to manifest money, they're always chasing around. And then they have zero capability to seize the opportunity, there's no way that you can attract or manifest money, because your belief is energy, your thoughts is energy as well. Your emotion is energy too. So if you actually create the energy within you in terms of your thoughts and belief, that is what you need. It's not like tap into this energy and stuff like that, because you could be the happiest person in the world and have zero money, right? If you use the word energy, money is the energy, then you have to focus on the thoughts, beliefs. That is the energy that we're talking about right now. And the reason why the most people, and especially the ones that starting the business, I have a friend actually, made like 17K and stuff like that. For most people, building a startup company and then making 17K a month, it's a lot. It's a lot. But obviously you could feel stuck. And then some ambitious people like us, you could see this $1 million and everything, like 10 millions, 8-figure and everything. And then you could see yourself making only $17,000 and then like, fuck, I'm so small and I feel stuck. And then that is becoming the belief. And then obviously you are going to create that exact same thing that you believe, which is the 17K, and then you feel stuck. And that's what's happening that's what's happening in most of the people who's running a business or freelance or doing something, their passion or purpose, and then they made some like achievement and they get to the next level and then they're like, fuck, I'm stuck in $5,000. I don't know how to increase that, how to scale to 10K or 20K or 30K. I don't know. Like, I'm stuck in 10K. I don't know how to get to the 50K. I don't know how to get to the 100K. It's because of their beliefs. They believe that they're capable. They believe that they can make certain amount of money, which can be $5,000 or $10,000, but they cannot see it. They cannot believe that they're making $100,000. So I'm going to give you exact practice right now, and I'll guarantee this will work. I want you to identify your goal right now. Okay, so if you have a goal, well, I want to make $10,000 a month, and I'm currently making $5,000 a month, and that goal is not doing anything for you because it's too small. So what you want instead, if you're making $10,000, let's say, if you're making $10,000 and you want to scale to $30,000, or you want to scale to $50,000, or wherever you are, you want to stretch your goal a little bit farther. First time, you might feel like, I can't see it, I don't know if I can believe it. But you have to practice to believe that you can do it. If you keep telling yourself that you can do it, if you keep telling yourself that I can make $100,000 a month, I can make $50,000 a month, you have to keep telling yourself until it starts to normalize it. You start to feel there's a bird singing. Thank you for your beautiful voice. You have to practice until it feels very normal and aligned. That means your belief is getting structured. It takes 60 to 65 times of repetition in order to build a new neural pathway. So in order for you to actually think that it's easy, or I can make $50,000 a month, and then feel actually aligned with it, feel good about it, and then feel so, yeah, like I can feel that within my body. That takes about, if you do it every single day, then it takes like 2 months, right? But that's when you're structuring, when you're building it. It's just a fast step, but people quit their first step, and you have to keep going from there. You have to start practicing in at least a minimum of 2 months, because some people say, yeah, in 21 days you can change your life. No, you can't. It takes a lot of times. Okay, it takes a lot of times to master something. So the first 2 months, you're going to tell yourself every single day that I can do this, or I am worthy to do this, XYZ, I am making $50,000, or whatever the affirmation that you can create, tell yourself. And then from there, you want to keep telling yourself, because once you start to feel like, I start to feel good about this, I start to feel like it's a little bit more normal for me to say it and feel it, then there's a neural pathway within your brain right now. So you want to strengthen it. When you strengthen it, you just keep telling yourself. And then what's going to happen is that when you structure, when you establish a new neural pathway, your reality will show you. Your reality will show, and you're like, oh, oh, there's money coming in. And then you start to see these like changes within your reality, and then you want to collect all the confirmation and you want to collect all the validation to strengthen your belief. Don't reject. Some people are like, oh, it's okay, like I'm not that good, and like still fucking feeding the limiting beliefs. But you have to collect the confirmation from the external reality, strengthen the limiting beliefs, strengthen your new beliefs so that they become more real and then becomes more strong within you, and then boom, all of a sudden you believe that is real and your reality will show you sooner or later. It's inevitable. So I'm gonna put, okay, not only that, I'm gonna put my hypnotic meditation down there. This is my symbol, like this is my signature. So my meditation is specifically designed a hypnotic meditation. So I'm gonna guide you through all these practices to strengthen your belief and actually establish and visualize in the right way. So it's free, but it's not going to be free forever, because this is my signature one and I was actually giving to my clients, not everybody else. So just don't miss this opportunity. Go down there in the description and get a free my meditation guide for 30 minutes, and then I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. Live your life like a movie.